guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It's never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today there is a lot of XRP news that we're going to go through. That is a given on my channel. A lot happening with Robinhood basically relisting XRP, which is bullish. We have some updates in relation to Hedera or HBAR. There is a lot going on that project. We're going to get into that as well. Toncoin is climbing. We've got a death cross threatening Solana, which is interesting as well for those TA analysts out there. I'm getting also a lot of questions about Reef. This is one crypto that, I've been quite bullish on for a very long time, and it's doing quite well. We're going to get into something that's going on with Reef, and going to have a look at some tokenomics with that as well, and have a brief overview. I'm also going to go over my 3 commas trading bots, which are working quite nicely, making some nice gains. We're going to go through all of that, as well as some posts on X I think are fascinating. Let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It is down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab today. This one was an interesting one. I came across this today, but in halving years, Q4 or quarter 4 has been historically bullish for Bitcoin. That is the truth right here. But if you look around Q1 to Q3 of the following year, have also been mega bullish as well. If history repeats itself, it could unleash mind-blowing gains that most people can't even fathom. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. But if you're looking at the charts right here, Q4, historically speaking, going back to 2013, it was up in the year, basically in that quarter, 479%. I mean, Solana's already done that this year, right? We also have 2015, 81%, 2016, 58%, 2017 was 215%, which is wild. Sorry, my WhatsApp is going nuts right now. 2020, 168%, 21's 5.45%. 23 is 56%. Very nice. 2024, I think we may see something like, well above that 400% in a year. That's definitely going to come, guys. Really just need to be patient with that. Top altcoins again. CKB Nervos Network has been doing incredibly well. Reef, Superfarm, Phantom, and Veracity. Very, very nice. And I do see the comments right here give us an update on Reef Bull. So we're just going to go through some tokenomics with Reef. How many coins are out there in circulation. We're going to get into that in a second, all right? So make sure you stick around. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. 2.05 trillion in the total market today. $57 billion in volume. 56 on the dominance for Bitcoin, and fear and greed index is sitting at 36 as well. So 56, 36, pretty much the same, right? Now, Bitcoin sitting at $58,845, down 2.09%. This is the ideal time that I like to dollar cost average into my investments. Again, by the way, on my preferred exchange, there is a really cool list. You can buy the sections of it, and they actually have an ISO 222 banking coin list as well. So it gets all of them, which is really nice as well. So I did do that the other night. Anyway, Ethereum, just pointing that out there, $2,300 for Ethereum. Solana's at $131. XRP's 57 cents today, still incredibly undervalued. Link $10. Polkadot $4.32. Litecoin $63. Casper's at 17 cents. I did add Casper to the portfolio, right? ICP $8.12. Let's have a look here. XLM is at 9 cents. Keep scrolling down. My other favorites, Immutable X $1.26. Let's keep going down here. VeChain 2 cents. Optimism $1.46. Phantoms 51 cents. Theta $1.33. Let's have a look here. Say's at 29 cents. I did miss Sui. That has been pumping, by the way. 3.82%. I'm bullish on Sui. I really like the project. It's up 36% in 30 days. 7 days up 21%. 24 hours up 3.81%. That is bullish. Now, I'm not going to get into the other ones, guys. Let's just go to Reef, because I get asked about this one a lot, all right? I'm not paid to do this by any means, all right? But let's have a look here. In the last 7 days, it's up 31%, which is crazy. And 30 days, 145%. That's significant. So again, it's still in the pennies, but I'm bullish on it, all right? Now, again, if you come up to about... Reef is a reliable, extensible, efficient, fast layer 1 blockchain, DeFi or decentralized finance, NFT, and gaming, built using a substrate framework. It provides high scalability, I can't even speak, enabling almost instant low-cost transactions, supports Solidity, an EVM or Ethereum virtual machine, allowing developers to seamlessly migrate their decentralized applications from Ethereum without any change to the code base, which again is nice. And again, it was founded by Denko Machensky, as you can see right here. It's a bit hard to see. I can't even zoom in on it. But his motivation was obviously to build the most advanced blockchain for retail investors who want to get involved in decentralized finance, NFTs, and gaming. He did call out Sam Bankman-Fried on a lot of BS that he was doing a long time ago. I don't think anyone really paid attention to that. Coming to the overview back again, we've got a fully diluted market cap, which again, it's incredibly low, 46.43 million. Circulating at the moment, again, is 22.82 billion Reef. So there is a significant amount. However, again, it's been doing incredibly well. You can't look past 140% gains in 30 days. It just does not exist anywhere else on the planet. Anyway, I've been bullish on Reef for a very long time. Who knows? I'd be wrapped if this gets to like 10 cents or like 20 cents. I'd be bullish on that. If it gets any higher than that, bring it on. All right, long-term hold for me, long-term. And who knows? If you can hold on to something maybe for like 8 years, of course it's going to go up, right? Think about that for a moment. Now, let's go to crypto bubbles. I'm not going to get too much into that, but before I do have the Wall Street Bull University linked below in the video description. All my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots with 3 commas. Everything goes up in here, as well as my dividend investing. Again, Mondays are my dollar cost averaging night on Wall Street. I'm buying a fund. I'm sure of you have seen a lot of these funds out there, these income ETFs as well. They've been doing incredibly well. No BS. I just got paid a fat dividend today, so that's just going to get reinvested back in the portfolio, right? This is how we grow and compound things. So go join up. And also, I just shared this afternoon a link to the latest 3 commas bot that I'm using at the moment, the multi-bot. So make sure you go join that down below the video description. Having a look at 3 commas. This is the new bot, by the way. I've added more coins. I'm trading Aave, Cardano, Acro, ALGO, AVAX, BCH, BNX, CFX, CKB, Ethereum, Fetch AI, Helium, ICP, Immutable X. I'm going to go through all of them. There's so many of them. Sui, of course, is in there. Shiba Inu, Toncoin as well. We are trading Reef. There you go. But it allows me to trade the markets 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, again, I'm using 5x leverage with this trading bot with 3 commas. I would safely say don't go any more than 5x if you're going to trade. It's not financial advice. You can do whatever you like. But again, because the market's a little bit volatile, things can happen. Basically, you get liquidated, all right, when you go too crazy with leverage. Right? I've done it before. I just checked my previous bots that I was using on OKX. By the way, I'm using Gate.io. Because we can trade with leverage on Gate.io. Every other exchange in Australia has been banned from basically leverage trading. It's annoying. Apart from Bybit and Bybit and Gate.io. So just keep that one in mind. Anyway, pretty straightforward, guys. I've got the setup guides on the channel anyway. And also, if you just want to copy the bot itself, you can join up to the Wall Street Bull University and you can just check it out yourself. It's pretty straightforward. The links for 3 commas are all below. You will get a discount on your membership if you use that. It's completely up to you. Gate.io, just having a quick look here. You can see I've got 23 positions opened up at the moment, which is quite nice. And again, it just trades for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, you notice the margin level, that little indicator right there. You can see the lit up bars right there. I don't know if you can see it, but that basically indicates the leverage is going too crazy. Now, again, if this was high leverage, you'd basically be putting this on the limit, right? So you don't want to do that. Having a look at the analysis, though, in the last 7 days, bring it down. The market's been a bit volatile the last couple of days, but overall, it has been making some nice profits, all right? $34, $48 a day. We had a couple losing days. This does happen in the month, right? We had the 14th was a loss of 14. 15th was loss of 34. And we're slowly creeping back up to the 16th today. It's at 89 cents. So I've got about 1,000 Aussie dollars in this. Just putting that out there. I did put in some more capital yesterday. So I'm trading with that 1,000. I'm going to see whether I can take that up to where I did previously, which was around about 14,000 Aussie dollars. I'm not kidding. Right? It was wild. Anyway, go check it out. The link is below and in the Wall Street Bull University. Won't go into crypto bubbles today, but XRP relisting, just quickly, guys, on Robinhood could fuel a double-digit price rally and push it to 66 cents. I think it's going to go a lot higher than that. Anyway, regardless of whether it's on Robinhood or not, it's just bullish, especially with Grayscale Trust now starting as well. And XRP is back on commission-free exchange Robinhood per the official website and on the platform. This is in the United States as well. They started in Europe. Users can currently watch the XRP price chart. The altcoin is yet to be listed for trading, which is nice. And XRP made a comeback above the key resistance of 59 cents. The commission-free exchange brought back Ripple's XRP token to its platform. However, users have to wait longer before they can begin trading the altcoin, of course. And in July 23, XRP's Ledger's native token gained legal clarity and was relisted on major crypto exchanges worldwide, which was a very bullish time last year. It was crazy. And Ripple's SEC news as well. Decision on crypto classification ends the XRP lawsuit, finally, the appeal. In a major win for Ripple, the crypto industry, the SEC has officially decided not to appeal the XRP ruling. According to the Wall Street Bulls, this move marks the end of the highly publicized legal battle that loomed over Ripple's future since December 2020. It's finally over. The case, which was revolved around XRP, was an unregistered security, cast a shadow over Ripple and its market operations for nearly 3 years. However, with the SEC backing down, Ripple can now move forward without fear of further legal challenges. So there are literally, I guess, two, certified commodities out there in the crypto world. That is Bitcoin and XRP. They are literally the only two. But because of this, I don't think they're going to be going after any other cryptocurrencies. Maybe a few other schmozzle coins, if you want to call them that. Meme coins. But as for XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, of course, they're not going to touch. It's a commodity. And, Solana now, Sui, all of these great projects are going to be doing great things. This is what we wanted. The lawsuit is finally freaking over. And the SEC's decision not to appeal stems from its position in the ongoing Binance case. In the case, the SEC acknowledged that crypto by itself does not meet the criteria to be classified as security. It's amazing the change in the flip in the narrative, right? Crazy. We've got Hedera contributes entire code base for Linux Foundation, which is nice. Hedera shifts its open source decentralization, transferring its code base to Linux Foundation's decentralized trust for global collaboration. Hedera, bullish on HBAR, a decentralized public network, announced that it has become a founding premier member of the Linux Foundation newly launched decentralized trust initiative, which is freaking bullish as well, guys. Very, very nice. Toncoin is climbing up 20%. And again, I've been holding Toncoin for a very long time. Currently, the upside with the token experiencing nearly 20% uptick since last week, gaining the attention of investors and traders, and developments continue to rack up some hype as well. Although the market reacted by 1% in the 24 hours, has led the altcoin market recovering significant margin. And Toncoin, Tonkeeper, the platform's native crypto wallet, has integrated a decentralized dApps browser on Telegram, the instant messaging platform. This is a huge move on the side of Ton as basically opening access to dApps or decentralized applications. That's freaking bullish news, guys, with that. And let's go to CryptoMed.io and then we'll have a look where the money's going. BNB, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin. We have Bonk, meme coins. I trade it, I don't hold it. XRP and Aave, which is quite nice to see that as well. Let's go to X. Let's have a look here, guys. I'm not sure who's banging outside my office here. We don't know. Anyway, thank you to those incredible people that have joined me on X as well. I really appreciate it. JP Morgan has officially started accepting payments in XRP. That is bullish. Thank you, Ominix, for that one as well. Crypto T, MicroStrategy. Last 4 Bitcoin purchases have been crazy. $821 million at 68K. This is dollar cost averaging in a nutshell, right? $623 million at 67K. $786 million at 65K. $1.1 billion at 60,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. That is freaking wild. Vivek, thank you for this one as well. World's largest exchange, CME Group, is launching a Bitcoin trading. Eventually, every financial company is going to be doing this. This is bullish. Again, we've just gone over Linux right here. That's nice. Plan B, love your analysis. Bitcoin is waiting for a trigger to basically explode upwards. It's going to happen. No doubt about that as well. Let's have a look here. I'm not going to get into Michael Saylor's video. There's one I want to play you, though. But the SEC Ripple lawsuit, this is a whole thread. Go check that out on my page, sorry. Have a look at this. For years, the SEC sued crypto companies over existing security laws. They knew they didn't work, and they refused to comment on any further information regarding details of these lawsuits. Have a look, quick listen to Gary Gensler, just to tip off this video tonight.
I'm not going to talk about any one of these tokens. I can't speak to any one case or any one situation.
Could you speak to the Ethereum issue?
I'm not going to go into any one set of conversations between the agency and a company. Not want me to speak about any one set of facts and circumstance. And the laws are clear. The law is clear. I think the law is clear. So,
unbelievable, isn't it? Thank you, Gary. Yes, Ethereum, pretty much self-explanatory, right? It's hilarious. And that's about it for today, guys. There's not much news because it's Monday morning here or in the United States, and we'll see what happens later on tonight when the market opens. Anyway, join the Wall Street Bull University. I've got a dollar cost averaging buy in the stock portfolio. It's going well, and I'm going to keep everyone updated with how the bots are going also on 3 commas, all right? Links are all below, guys. Take care of yourselves. Peace out.